Ladies and gentlemen, we're in the final round of the Beatbox Battle World Championship Vocal Scratching. Oslin from France versus Dobie from Madagascar. Let the battle begin. 3, 2, 1, scratch! Fresh, 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 fresh.
I have a dream.
Fresh, 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 fresh.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up, live out the truth, meaning of its creed. I have a dream that one day, this nation will rise up, living on the truth, meaning of its creed.
Alright, Oslim, really fresh. Now the first answer of Dobie's and the final. Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to welcome to Africa. Focus scratch on the Afrobeat. Oh yes. Oh wow, what? Gros, c'est la puissance, c'est la. Hip hop, remix central.
Wow. Get ready for the second round and the final. It's your last turn, Oslim. Rock the mic. 1, 2, 3, scratch.
Don't make me have to call your name out. Your great fat away, my gunshot will be to everything. Work girls, man, slug penetrate. You found a burning sensation. While there's still alive, I don't know. My whole heart turns cold, beloved. Don't make me have to call your name out. Just further away. Back to the art, obscure rap. Back to the art, obscure. Back to the art, obscure. To the obscure. Oh! Austin wins. Fatality.
Wow. Okay, Dobie, your last set in the final round. 3, 2, 1, scratch.
This is a big up for German beatbox community. Bist du bereit? Oh yeah! Bist du bereit? Bist du bereit? Bist du bereit for my motherfucking scratch? Hey! Bist du bereit for my motherfucking? Bist du bereit?
Maximum respect. Come on, give it up. Oslin and Dobie. Come, Leute. Hey, put your hands in the air. This was the first ever vocal scratch championship in the music history. Okay, guys, the jury will make a decision backstage, and we are now really looking forward. Thank you. To our brother Eclipse. Now we're coming to the category vocal scratching. Kosiga, vocal scratching. I call up on the stage my man Oslin from France and Dobie from Madagascar. Please come to the stage. So from jury decision, 3 votes versus 2 votes. Oh! First place in the vocal scratching goes to Africa, to Madagascar. It's Dobie. Congratulations to Oslin for second place. Maximum respect. bo, 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 bo.
Scratch, scratch.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you very much. Congratulations. You'll be first ever world champion vocal scratching. Take some photos then.